You know, remote area medical is serious about helping more people in the Appalachian area by giving them access to healthcare. And even though we began as an organization taking healthcare to remote parts of the world, now our focus is right here at home in the United States. You know, truth is, families all over the United States are having hard times. So you can imagine what it's like living in a part of the nation in the poorest part here in Appalachia. Sadly, the need is so great in the hills and valleys of this area that we've created Stop the Suffering in Appalachia, and we're launching that this fall. And this strengthens our RAM affiliates in Kentucky by equipping them with their own mobile units. And in states like Virginia, we're expanding our care and services as well. This initiative saves time, money, and effort while creating opportunities for more clinics for those who need them most.
I just hate to ask. I've worked on my wife. I hate to ask. That's why things like this are so wonderful.
You know, with our system, NASCAR speedways are silenced from racing, infields are turned into mobile hospitals, while classrooms are transformed into examination rooms, basketball courts filled with dental chairs, and patients all over the bleachers and sidewalks are packed with people waiting to get one of those precious numbers that gets them in line for this free service.
Really, I am sad that we are the wealthiest nation in the world and we don't take care of our own.
We're going to have an intense focus on the poverty-stricken region of Appalachia. After all, it's our own backyard, and the need is so great that we're bringing RAM to a local level so that we can better mobilize people and resources and help them and their neighbors.
After hundreds of mobile clinics across the country burning fuel, spending valuable time traveling, and mobilizing out-of-state healthcare professionals, remote area medical is changing gears in a way. The Stop the Suffering in Appalachia initiative will focus on the distressed corridors of Tennessee, Kentucky, West Virginia, North Carolina, Ohio, and Mississippi. This map shows the areas of that region that fall in the distressed category. RAM will work with local organizations and doctors in each state, organizing clinics on a local level by equipping custom mobile units to increase medical services.
Yeah, you know, it means that those people who live in the middle of Virginia don't have to drive to another state to simply get basic medical attention. They'll be within driving distance of help in their own backyard. It means instead of having areas that just have 1 or 2 RAM clinics a year, we can now provide multiple clinics simultaneously.
Now I have no insurance and I can't afford them. And I know it don't seem like much. You can go to Walmart for $150 and get them, but it'd take me 3 weeks or a month to come up with that pay.
Stop the Suffering will also help solve an issue that RAM runs into often, where licensed doctors who are volunteering can't work in some states. Although we will continue to encourage laws to help with out-of-state doctors, we are now focusing in on mobilizing in-state doctors to work through RAM affiliates.
RAM brings healthcare professionals to those people who need their help the most. It's remembering those who need it most that continues to be the driving force behind everything we do at RAM. And to make all of this a reality in a 2-year time span between 2014 and 2016, we're mobilizing lots of local organizations, thousands of doctors, healthcare professionals and volunteers, and partnering with more than 200 community groups and raising over $5 million to make Stop the Suffering in Appalachia possible. So this help is now coming to the state of Virginia.
Dr. Victoria Wise currently has a private practice in Lake Monticello and Fort Union, Virginia, which was established in 1999 with her husband, Dr. Douglas Wise. Dr. Wise has been providing eye care in over 14 nursing and assisted living facilities in Central Virginia since 1997. She's been volunteering with RAM for over 15 years. Remote Area Medical is honored to have Dr. Wise as a new member of the RAM community. To volunteer and donate, or to learn more about Stop the Suffering in Appalachia, go to ramusa.org.
You know, this is one of the most exciting times in the life of Remote Area Medical RAM. And we're looking to join people who really want to make a difference in their lives and the lives of others. We're seeking out donors who see themselves as investors in a better future. So come share life with us. Join us on this journey to impact the world one community at a time. And let's start with yours.